This is the Barletta Cabrio 22QC. This Tri-Toon is a large extended swim deck, ski tow bar. It is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury motor. Power bimini. Doggy view door. LED docking lights. Large loungers in the bow. Armrests. Lots of storage. Do have a ski locker. Cup holders, cell phone holder, cell phone charger. That's passenger's chair. Stepping up to the helm. Bluetooth radio, your gauges, all your lights. This Tri-Toon is rated for 12 people. Also 2 large loungers in the back. More storage under all of your seats. Cup holders everywhere. Once again, that large extended swim platform. Storage underneath there. Both captain's chairs are reclining and swivel. Side table. Water dish and food dish for the pets. USB chargers in the front. Is set up with another table on the bow. Courtesy lights. Depth finder. Great for cruising, pulling a tube with the family. The Barletta 22QC 2022.